that camera guy in construction. Yeah! Go, go, go!
All right, so we are here at the Columbus, Ohio LEGOLAND Discovery Center. We are going to check it out. They have, what do they have, Jay?
So they have a gift shop where you can get sets and keychains.
Okay.
They have wides, and I think there's a place where you can create your own Lego creation.
Yeah, we're going to check it out. We haven't been here before. We've never been to a LEGOLAND area, so we are going to check it out. We'll take you along with us.
Let's go!
So come and have fun. Let's go.
Woo!
All right, we're going to go stand in line. We got the tickets to get in at 10 a.m., which is when they open. So the kids are excited to see the gates open. Let's go ahead and get in line, Adley. We are going to quickly take a photo. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Very own minifigures. Remember backward and forward. Once you found something you like, press the button to select it. Then move on to the next part of your character. You've got 30 seconds. Are you ready? Go! Awesome! Audience, now amazing Lego brick at the heart of everything. Want to see how a Lego brick is made? Don't
Yeah.
forget to shout out if this is a special yellow brick.
Kingdom Quest. Holy fire!
Number 3, missing. The Dwarf King has been kidnapped by evil skeletons. Stop the skeletons from stealing his treasure. And what does 4 say, Jay?
Help. Help save the dragon's eggs by shooting all the bad guys. Trolls, orcs, and skeletons.
Okay, so look at the pictures. Those are the things we're trying to shoot down. We're getting ready to go on the ride. We're going to shoot some things down, I think, right?
Yeah, the Kingdom Quest.
The Kingdom Quest. Let's see if we can accomplish it.
Yeah. Dinosaur! Wait,
What do we press? VR, maybe?
I don't know if we're supposed to be doing this. We're supposed to be, what? I mean, like...
I don't know. Let's see if the door is open.
Yeah, which store is it? Whoa!
We're at Miniland. This is a whole city made of Lego.
Mommy, look, a pool. It's that camera guy in construction.
That's so awesome.
Huh? Where?
Oh, yeah. Look at all the little...
It's Superman! It's Superman! Go, go, go! Wait, no, go, go! What's happening? That's the whole press start. I'm gonna win!
Oh, cool. They're playing football at the stadium.
Man, where's mine?
I think you can only move it back and forth. But look at all the stadium people.
We made little bees. This is my bee. Antennae, wings, body, and a stinger.
Awesome.
And also,
We get to put it on the bee cart, right?
yes.
Love it. And we'll get Jaden and mine as well.
This is Mommy's bee. Eyes, antennae, stinger, body, and wings. I love the wings. Wait, where do you want yours here?
Yep.
This one is Jaden's. Stinger, body, wings, and antennae. And eyes.
Love it.
I'm gonna put his up there.
What is it?
No, but I want to do the carousel.
We also have the Lego Cinema 4D Lego movies. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get to see the next one up next, Lego Friends. So they have that as well. They also have build and test station, where you can build and test creations that you build with the Legos. And a little shop over there that we're going to check out as well. We also have the Master Model Builder, creative workshop that's open at certain hours, where you can learn how to build your own cool Lego creation here. Lego Friends area for the girly girls. Theater. It's 4D. Let's see your glasses. You getting ready? You're gonna see the Lego Friends City movie. Grab your stuff, please. Let's go find a spot over here. All right, so we are taking a break with a little snack. We have done a lot of things so far, right?
Yeah, basically everything except for the gift shop and the stuff that opens at 12.
So we've done rides. We watched a 4D movie, got wet.
Yeah.
It was like there was so many things.
There was fog and
Winds,
bubbles and
yeah,
wind.
bubbles, yeah, wind.
And I even got this minifigure. She's happy because she won a trophy.
I got this one.
Yep, so we're looking at our minifigures that we got as part of our ticket package. So we're playing with those.
And that's my dog.
We're waiting for our soft pretzel. We got some chips and some drinks. And we're relaxing, and then we're gonna check out the creator lab real quick, I think. And then probably go check out the store.
Yeah.
So what do you rate this so far on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 star.
10. They like it a lot. We've enjoyed it so far, and we're excited to keep going. Oh, I didn't even notice that clock tower was made of Legos.
You didn't?
Everything is made of Legos.
That's so cool.
Except for the floor and us.
So here you have to test out your creation with the earthquake. See if it will withstand the shaking.
Mom, I want to do something down that
And we
ramp.
can also build something and test it down that ramp. So are you gonna do the big one or the medium? Okay. Oh, it fell apart. Yeah, make some upgrades. They fell apart.
Hey, Jaden. Even those yours might not fall apart, I want to see whose is faster.
Let's see on the screen.
Yeah!
All right, now we are checking the store. Jaden was looking for Star Wars Legos. Looks like he found. We'll look around a little bit. Also build a minifigure. Looks like a little. All right, we're checking out our memories here on the kiosk. So these are some of the pictures that we took throughout the time. Is it just that one picture with different backgrounds?
I think.